So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and here is the market analysis video for the 16th of April 2021. Now let's see what has happened in the market today. So Nifty was 0.25% up today. Not a big move today we have seen in the market, but a little bit of movement towards resistance, following a path, a little bit slow path to go to the resistance. So my sentiment is very clear. The market is bearish, but it will once try to go to its resistance, and a short is coming very soon. A fall is coming very soon. That thing is surely. That's why I'm telling you that when market is going towards it resistance, so it is rising. Okay, slowly it is rising, it is gaining, and that's why I keep on denying that don't participate in that movement, the movement from support to resistance. I always say that do not participate in that movement, because a fall is coming soon in the market. A big fall is coming. Same thing has happened here also, but market was not able to break below this support level. Okay, but right now market is again going towards resistance, so one may feel like that I should long the Nifty, I should buy the call option on the Nifty as market is rising. But this is not a rise. The market is just going towards its resistance. Then market will fall definitely, and there will be a day where we'll see huge fall, and then we'll see 2-3 days following that huge falls in the markets. That's why as of now we should not participate in any kind of upside movement. We should wait for market to fall, and as I'm telling you that in upcoming days market will go to this resistance, and then market will again fall, because right now market is in the range, and I have mentioned it yesterday also that market will fill this common gap. This is a common gap got filled, this is a small common gap get filled. Now this is a big common gap, this will also get filled, because this is a range gaps. These range gaps get filled so early, and that's what market is doing. Let me show you this on a daily time frame. How does it looks like on a daily time frame? And here on the daily time frame, as you can see, both side rejections, but three green candles we have seen after a big red candle and a big gap. We have seen a three green candles, and market is just moving towards resistance and will try to fill this gap. This is the sentiment in the Nifty, but a big fall is coming soon. That's why I keep on telling you that don't long the market on support, only short the market at resistance, and wait till market goes to the resistance. Don't ride any upside movement in the market as of now. That are my suggestions to all of you. And now looking at the Sensex, so Sensex was 395 points up, inch 28 points higher, and Nifty top 14,600. Soba drops 4%, Wipro rises 9%. Healthcare and utilities stock lead the market gains. 18 of 30 Sensex stocks end the day in the green. Index contributors were HDFC, Asian Paints, HCL Tech, Ultratech Cement, and Sun Pharma. Top index gainers: Asian Paint 2.76%, Ultratech Cement 2.43%, ONGC 2.14%. Top index losers were ICICI Bank 1.77%, Bajaj Finance 1.29%, L&T 1.2%. S&P BSE Healthcare biggest sectoral gainer, up 1.88%. S&P BSE Bankex biggest sectoral loser, down 0.51%. Volume toppers were Reliance, Infosys, SBI, HDFC, and Airtel. So these are the headlines for the Sensex. Now let's move towards the Bank Nifty. What is the thing in the Bank Nifty? What has happened in the Bank Nifty? So yeah, here Bank Nifty again at resistance level, previously support. Now I told you that this level will act as a support for the Bank Nifty. Look how important this level is. Bank Nifty has faced resistance here first, then taken support, now again facing resistance at this level. So the thing is that let's first see it on a hourly time frame. How does it looks like on hourly time frame? And here if we look this on an hourly time frame, the Bank Nifty, then you can see this is the first candle of the day, I think. Yeah, market faced rejections, and then market was almost in range, 0.42% down, but it was like almost in range. So my expectations are very clear. If market opens gap down, then we'll see a downfall in the Bank Nifty. Otherwise, this little bit of this movement near this resistance zone will be there in the market. If opens gap down, or first candle sustains below this close, then we will be seeing a good fall in the market. Otherwise, we'll be seeing another range bounded movement and a lot of candles getting accumulated near this resistance zone. These are my expectations from the Bank Nifty as of now. and this gap, Bank Nifty has already filled this gap. If a little bit is remaining, then Bank Nifty will fill that also, and not a big deal. As I have told you, the candles will be getting accumulated here only. If market does not fall, then this gap will also get filled. So this is the sentiment in the market. And now let's talk about the stocks that we have taken for trade yesterday, that I have the levels I have given to you. So first is Grasim Industries, and now Grasim Industry, I have told you to long the Grasim Industry above this line. So this line is a level of 1350, and the high made by Grasim was 1380. So 30 points gain. Congratulations to all who have traded based upon our advice. So 30 points gain you must have booked in the Grasim. So it's a good gain in the Grasim. Congratulations to all of you who have traded. And the second stock I have given you was IndusInd Bank. So here is IndusInd Bank, and IndusInd Bank, as I have told you, move upwards. So 0.54% IndusInd Bank closed upwards. So yeah, it's a little bit of upward movement. So not so much, but a little bit of gain in the IndusInd Bank also. But yeah, be on this level in IndusInd Bank, it will definitely fill this gap. So you can still be long on the IndusInd Bank surely. So these are the two stocks that we have talked about yesterday for today's trading. Now let's see gainers and losers on the NSE. So Wipro, Hindalco, Wipro was up by 9%, so it's a great change in the Wipro. Hindalco again 4.16%, Cipla 2.83%, Asian Paint was a good gainer. Ultratech Cement was also up, HCL Tech, BPCL, ONGC, Sun Pharma, Nestle India. But look at the Wipro, 9% topping the market, and with a good volume also. It's a good day for Wipro, I think. You can still stay long in the Wipro after such good day. It's not easy that a stock falls just after it. It takes time for any correction in this kind of movement, where the stock is 9% up with that huge volume. Then it takes time for that stock to come down again. And here are the losers: JSW Steel, ICICI Bank, Bajaj Finance, L&T, Tata Steel, TCS. A lot of losers, but not much they have loosened. Only 1 point something or point something change in these stocks. And now let's see what happened to different indices. And the range bounded market was there today also. So we can see only some point gains, or some point market is up by some point in some indices, or down by some points in some indices. So not much movement in the market today itself. So I hope that all the things about the Nifty and Bank Nifty are clear for you. Bank and Nifty, I am little bit of bullish on the Nifty till it reaches the resistance, but I am bullish on the Nifty till it reaches the resistance. Then too, I am saying that don't ride that bull trend. Okay, let market get to that resistance, then we'll short the market. Okay, then we'll look for the shorting opportunities, because one thing I'm very clear about Nifty is that market will fall. If not today, then tomorrow the market will fall, and it will then we'll notice a good fall in the Nifty. And on the other end, Bank Nifty has already reached its resistance zone. So if market opens gap down, or first hour's candle sustains below this today's close, then definitely we can short the Bank Nifty. Otherwise we'll see that candles are getting accumulated over in that zone only, near resistance zone only. So these are my expectations. IndusInd Bank, little bit upward movement. I'm telling you, still you can be long in this IndusInd Bank still. Grasim Industry, I hope everybody was able to book good profit. And Wipro also you can be long, because we have seen a good movement in the Wipro with a huge volume. So I think Wipro will be in a bull trend for upcoming few days. So no stocks other than these two, IndusInd Bank and Wipro, because now Saturday, Sunday, weekend is here. So we'll see you on the Monday with the analysis video. I hope you are liking our work. So please do like the video, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.